everyone, welcome to the session and welcome to the India's most comprehensive preparation platform, the BYJU'S exam prep. And yes guys, so we do have with us today All India Rank 1 Electronics and Communication Engineering. Yes, securing 78 marks out of 100 with the GATE score of 1000. So, all the aspirants of electronics and, all other branches as well, this is a very important session for you because live All India Rank 1 is going to be in front of you and he is going to, answer several of your queries. And even those, maybe watching the session and those who are the aspirants for the upcoming year, that is the GATE and ECE 2023, lots of useful advice will be given. So I believe you might have, listened to his name by this time. Now, let's not keep it more suspense because already the results were announced on 16th night. And yes, we have specially called him to our Noida office. Yes, how many marks, Chunky? As I told, 78. So yeah, let Ram answer these questions. So yes, here I have Ram S Balaji, IIT Madras. Welcome, Ram, here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. And first of all, my heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much.
The entire BYJU'S exam prep, we are so happy that you have secured All India Rank 1, a final year student. He also appeared in the GATE in third year. He will speak about his journey, how he prepared. And let me tell you one very important thing. He is basically from IIT Madras Engineering Physics Department. Yes, guys. So those who believe that GATE is tough, okay, whether a college going student can do it or not, or whether I should take a drop for this examination. So we keep on guiding you several times. But what else you can, expect rather than a current topper guiding you and sharing his experience? So yes, if GATE was that tough, how a person from Engineering Physics Department crack GATE from Electronics and Communication Engineering, which was relatively a tougher paper as compared to all other branches. That is why toppers marks are also restricted to 78. Otherwise, it is 80, more than 80, 90 for other branches. So, Ram, we want you to, address to the students' query. Several of the students are live right now. Many of them will be watching later on also. Yes, guys, if you are a student watching this later on as a recorded form, you can also drop your comments in the comments box later on. And me and Ram, we both will be happy to answer your queries. So Ram, maybe you can start by giving a brief introduction about yourself.
So as you all know, I'm Ram Balaji. I am from Mettupalayam, Coimbatore, and I'm doing my BTech in Engineering Physics at IIT Madras. I'm in my final year, and as you all know, I attempted GATE this year under ECE paper, and I secured AIR 1 with 78 marks out of 100.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep, Ram. So, let me ask you, since you are from Engineering Physics Department,
Yes,
what made you motivated for the GATE examination, especially from electronics only? And when did you start the preparation for this? When were you alert? And you mentioned me that you also appeared in third year. So, you can tell students about your third year journey also.
Sure. So being in engineering physics, I did not get many opportunities to give in electronics, the electrical domain, electrical core. So I thought GATE would be a good opportunity for me to, like if I don't get placed in a electrical core company, I would go for MTech in IIT Madras or IIT Bombay using my GATE score. So that is what motivated me to attempt GATE at first.
Right.
And as you know, I also gave GATE in my third year. So in my third year, I was able to score 56 out of 100 with a ranking of 139.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so and I got serious with my preparation during July 2021.
2000, that is last year when you entered final year just.
Yeah. So during that time, I was also preparing for my placements and I had my research internship going on and also courseworks were there.
Correct.
So it was not easy for me to manage everything.
Correct.
But I used to club things. The courses I took was aligned with my GATE preparation and the placements, since I'm sitting for electrical core companies, that again aligned with my preparation as well.
Okay.
So managing time this way will help you guys as well, since you are also going through the same phase in your life as well.
Right. So Chunky is asking you, are you a pass out? I already mentioned you can answer that case as well.
What do you mean by a pass out?
Pass out of college, are you?
No, I'm just in my final year. I'm doing my last semester right now. I'll be passing out in May 2022.
Yes, so he is a final semester student right now. So, this examination, GATE, appreciate. Many students, as I already told, believe that it is difficult and all, but you are one such example which you prove that if you do it with dedication, definitely it's not difficult if you do it step by step. So, what books or what videos you followed or any difficult, because you are from a different domain, so there may be some subjects like you mentioned, control systems or communication, which is not in your department, so you had to study them separately. So what was your preparation strategy and how you actually got into this success?
Yeah, so initially while I was starting my preparation, I know like what I know in the syllabus and what I don't know.
Right.
So I was very clear in that, and I wanted to cover the remaining syllabus which I don't know.
Okay.
And I started looking for materials, and there are like many materials available.
Correct.
Including NPTEL lectures or online videos. I could
Yes.
take up like online classes, live classes.
Yes.
So like I thought like I tried like reading through books also is one of the possibility.
Correct.
Like first I started by reading with books, but then soon I realized that reading with books it has like it goes more into depth, and I realized that I could not cover it within the required time. Like I had very short time.
Yes.
And so then I went for NPTEL lectures.
Okay.
Then I went for I covered like analog circuits using NPTEL lectures.
Okay.
And to cover control system again I had very less time.
Right.
Then I went for live classes.
Yes.
Many online platforms like BYJU'S also played a very important role.
Okay.
The live classes, like they covered the concepts very clearly and in a very easy way and in a very short time as well.
Okay, yeah. So that's what, in live classes, you can watch it at your own speed, even if you
Yeah.
have lesser time. So you can watch it at the faster speed. You can watch it at your own time. So as you mentioned, BYJU'S exam prep helped you also in this preparation journey. So how exactly it helped you? What type of sessions you followed here? And what is the benefit you got from these BYJU'S exam prep videos?
So BYJU'S exam prep, I started attempting few, like use the grade up app and attempted few lectures.
Right.
They used to conduct free sessions as well.
Yes.
So and also like towards the end of my preparation, the Maha Marathon thing, it helped great in revising the concepts very well.
Correct. Yeah, that's what,
And the faculty were also like super motivating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So which all faculties you usually follow?
Like yourself as well.
Thank you.
And Chandan sir.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, great. So guys, basically that's what we keep on planning so many sessions for you, especially the Maha Marathon we plan every time, so that in the last time, see, many things students study, but at the last time, how to get the crunch, how to get the concepts in very quick amount of time. There also we go in detailed concept, but yeah, as per the time availability, we try to focus key what are the most important things to be covered in that less time, because I was having a discussion offline with you just a few moments back that about the syllabus, even I think All India Rank 1 or All India Rank 9, nobody can complete the 100% syllabus.
right.
What is your opinion in them? Because students, at the last 1 month, maybe they have completed 95% syllabus. They will not be satisfied with that, but they will be, 5% worried about what is not completed.
Correct.
So what is your opinion in that? Can you ever complete the syllabus?
Even I couldn't complete the entire syllabus. I had to leave few things, but still I understood the basic concepts. So I was able to answer like whatever question put forward to me.
Correct.
So I think understanding the concepts plays an important role. Like be thorough with whatever you know. It's fine even if you have only 2 weeks and if you didn't cover the entire syllabus, it's totally fine. Don't try to learn something new in the last 2 weeks, because that will again force you to it will not be a good thing to cover new things in the last 2 weeks.
Exactly, yeah. Because in the last 1 or 2 months especially the last 1 month is more for revision.
Correct.
Because the biggest challenge with GATE is not the difficulty. Difficulty is still manageable, although for ECE this time it was little high, maybe because of many MSQs also coming up. But I believe the biggest challenge is getting the complete syllabus done, or 95% syllabus also done, because you study one subject, suppose network theory, control system, you studied maybe 5 months back, and at the end you need to revise it.
them,
So if you keep on studying new and new syllabus, you will not be able to revise, and whatever you studied 5 months back, that also becomes weak. So how important revision and mock test are in that aspect?
Like revision and mock tests play a very important role. So I used to after every topic I used to attempt mock test.
Right.
And after completing an entire subject, let's say digital systems, I used to attempt a full subject test.
Okay.
And even at the end of the preparation, I used to give again some other full subject test to revise the concepts.
Right.
and like towards like last 1 month and last 2 weeks, and I used to give the full length test. So that is like actually equal to like giving GATE exams.
Okay, yeah.
So
That
using
real feel you will
yeah,
get.
yeah.
Yes.
So that will help in like managing time, and like you will get to know like which questions to leave, which questions take longer time, how you plan yourself to attempt a paper, and also like previous year questions as well play an important role.
Correct, correct. So yeah, definitely. There's a very important question coming up from the student, Amit, that how you balanced your college work and GATE preparation. Let me, make the students once again aware that for most of the subjects, Ram had the self-study routine.
Yeah.
He followed some videos and books, and mostly it was self-study. Definitely, he took the help of BYJU'S exam prep, our app, as well as YouTube classes, following especially Mahamarathon. But mostly he's a self-study guy. So guys, one again very big example, अगर dedication हो आपके पास, ठीक है, तो even all India rank 1 is possible with the self-study. Yes. So a big congratulations for that also. So how did you balance your college work and GATE preparation? That's a very important aspect to be addressed, because many college going students, need to listen to this.
Right. So that is what I was addressing, like for you people, electrical engineering people, for you it would be even easier to balance your college work because you are doing the same thing.
Exactly.
You're going to give GATE with the same thing what you're preparing for your college thing.
Right.
So you just need to put in some effort. Like you can start seeing first look. You can first itself look at the previous year question paper first. You try to solve one paper.
Yes.
And then after your preparation, you try to solve it again.
Exactly.
You will know the difference between where you started and where you are now.
Exactly. Yeah, that is why. So previous year questions will again help you in making a wise decision ki how depth you have to go in that particular subject, right? Because especially if you're a college going student, you have a limited time, right? So you start studying maybe some book or some classes and you don't know what is the depth of GATE, maybe you end up wasting unnecessary time, right? So many of you are students are already commenting this, they are proud of you. Yes guys, yes, he is a big inspiration for you guys. So Chunky is asking how many years previous year question is sufficient?
For me, like while preparing for in my third year, like giving the GATE for the first time, I think I took like 2 to 3 years the question paper. But after like giving GATE, I actually understood what they were expecting really. So I did not do the previous year question paper in my fourth year.
Okay.
I just solved the full length mock test.
Great.
So yeah.
Yes.
So I would also urge you to attempt, even if you don't know or if you haven't started your preparation, please attempt your GATE in your third year.
Yeah, definitely guys. So it's a big message for especially second, third year students that, you should try to attempt the GATE in third year. No, I think many of you will be trying to attempt, but don't just make it as a simple attempt कि GATE ने allow किया तो हम चले जाएंगे exam देने. No, take it as a serious attempt, because maybe possible you get successful in the first attempt, so it's a very happy moment. Then even if you fail in third year, guys, you have the final year. That is again lots of learnings you can learn from third year. Like Ram secured All India rank 139. That's again a good achievement, but he did not stop there. Okay, that enthusiasm has to be there. If you want a single digit, you have to achieve it at any cost. So he got 139 in third year. It's very good for a third year student. But what he did, rather than being over happy, he actually learned what went wrong in the third year.
Right.
And he got the motivation I prepared very little and still got 139. So if I give my full, I will be getting best rank. And maybe while preparing, he didn't believe that he'll be getting... See, nobody can say that I'm going to be All India rank 1 or even single-digit rank, But yeah, if you prepare with full dedication, you can be assured of very good result. That very good result may be single-digit rank, maybe AIR 1, maybe under 20, maybe under 50, but something good you will get, right? So guys, always believe that if you work hard, that hard work is never going to be wasted. Right, it is going to give you result in some form or the other. Right, so Akib says you're preparing third year. Very good, Akib. Yeah, keep preparing. So
I want to say thank you to those Tamil people. Nandri எல்லாத்துக்கும்.
Yeah, great. Yeah, there are some Tamil people, correct. So Ram, Anjali is asking, is 9 months enough time to prepare for GATE to get under 100 rank?
Like when I was preparing in my third year, like I didn't have 9 month time. Like I only had like 2 to 3 months time,
Right.
and I only focused on whatever I know. At that time I did not knew concepts like communication system, analog electronics, like and control systems as well, and electromagnetic theory.
Correct.
And only in my third year I was also like enrolled in the courses such as electronic devices.
Right.
So even I did not know the entire syllabus, but still I focused on whatever I knew. I gave 100% efforts in that, and even in the gate, I managed to like whatever I knew, I was able to do that
Okay.
correctly, solve the questions correctly.
Yes. So one big, maybe question will be there with the students that where do you want to see yourself after getting this rank? What your next step may be?
So as you know, like gate score is valid for 3 years.
Yes.
As of now, I have not planned anything like after 3 years what is going to happen and all.
Correct.
For now, like I'm planning to go for a job in core domain.
Yeah. So you're recruited in Texas Instrument,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yeah.
So that's what, guys, I hope you all know that GATE scorecard is now eligible for valid for 3 years. So maybe like Ram has also got placed in Texas, you also might get placed in some maybe private core company or maybe some PSU also. Even if you're a GATE ranker, you can get selected in PSU. Maybe you might have the, intuition to go for job works to earn something. But still, 1 or 2 years down the line, if you feel that yes, you can still want to go for higher education, you can do it with the same GATE score. You don't have to appear in the GATE examination once again. Right.
Also, like the another opportunities, you can also apply for abroad universities.
Yeah,
such
foreign
as,
universities in Singapore or
and
Germany.
Yeah.
Exactly. So multiple benefits are there. Right. Setupati is asking, are you from Coimbatore? I
Yes,
think you
sir.
are from a place very near to Coimbatore.
I am from Mettupalayam in Coimbatore.
Right.
Hi, Setupati.
Yes. So that's good. Students are able to connect with you. That's really very good. Anjali congratulates you for your big achievement.
Thank you so much.
Right. Yes, so Nithyanandam says here that, because in our side, just you proved, because from our side, many of them are not aware about GATE. And maybe many of them are not actually aware. Okay, so now maybe looking into you, people from your side also get aware, and not only get aware, come up with the flying results as you have got. Right, so many congratulations coming. Vinod, third year, it's still decent. Of course, it's not the good rank, but at this rank also, you have done little efforts, I'm able to believe, Vinod. So, ekdam na next year, try to learn ki what went wrong and what all you can improve. I have seen, Ram, in my career also, I have seen many students maybe getting 3-4 digit rank in the first attempt. And especially third year students, he might not be that serious also, usne aise hi de diya hoga, but still he got 3-4 digit rank. Quite probable that you come to a 1 or 2 digit rank, Vinod. So don't leave your preparation, even, increase your, timings and all, whatever best you can do, and definitely 1 or 2 digit rank you can get.
Like it is absolutely okay to make mistakes. The important thing is you have to learn from your mistakes and improve. Keep improving.
Okay, because once or twice if it happens, it's a mistake. But if it keeps happening, it's a habit, right? So let it be a mistake. Don't make it as a habit. Learn from them, and next year prove everybody wrong, and try to focus that you are going to be a single or double digit ranker. Right. So yeah, many students again are joining. They are congratulating you. And again, I say, guys, even if you have some queries after the video gets over, you can drop it in the comment box.
I'll be replying,
Ram will be replying to it, because he's also very happy, and he'll be more than happy. Ram, it's a getting a rank. Just when I got, okay, it's a special moment. But even, if somebody takes any advice from you, or if somebody gets some success, maybe 1% of the credit because of you, then you'll be more happiness. Yes. Jeevan is asking about your college.
I'm from IIT Madras. I'm doing my BTech in engineering physics.
Yes. So, इसने कितनी बार गेट दिया है? मयंक, इसका ये second attempt है. He has given the first attempt in third year. That time also he was successful. All India rank 139, and finally All India rank 1 in the final year. Best. Yes, we need depth knowledge in GATE. Yes, Anjali is asking about the depth knowledge. How deep you need to go into GATE?
That again, like once you give the previous year question papers, you will get to know like how much to prepare.
Right.
As well.
Yes. So yeah, exactly. That's what, you can be decisive and selective once you go through previous year questions. Yes, little bit GATE is a conceptual as against to ESE. ESE has lots of syllabus, but not that much of depth. But GATE में थोड़ा depth में जाना पड़ता है because it is more of a conceptual and numerical type of paper rather than being only a factual type of paper. Very few factual question, right? And very important thing is now MSQ is also increasing. Last year, only computer science we saw a good number of MSQ, but this time electronics also we had several MSQs. Computer science में MSQs थे. Even the number of MSQs in civil also increased. So next year, definitely be prepared that maybe you get 0 MSQ. IIT is always full of surprises, but expect that you can get maybe 10-15 MSQs easily. So keep your preparation accordingly. Right, so Dheeraj, Chinmoy, many students are joining.
Like the depth knowledge, I would say that be thorough with the basics first.
Right. Deepak with 591 GATE score. Deepak, I'll request you to drop your message on the Telegram because what is your category, what is your branch, many things. The GATE score 591 cannot simply answer unless I know your branch, your category. So you can, I hope you know my Telegram group, GATE/ESE by Rakesh Talreja. Join there, ping me, I'll reply maybe within a day. Right, I'll definitely reply within a day. Just comment with your scorecard, your branch and your category. Then only I can say, Acha, you're asking for VLSI and general category EC branch. See, definitely Deepak, general category EC, and you are looking for the top branch which usually gets filled first. 591, you can't expect IISc or any of the good IITs. Maybe some NITs, even NIT Trichy and Warangal will be difficult. Okay, but some NITs or some newer IITs you can expect. VLSI is possible, but not at the very good college. Right, you have to compromise with the college then, if you want VLSI only dedicatedly. Right, what's your answer for that?
Sorry, can you come?
591, but you might not be that aware about this, I think, right? Because you are at GATE score 1000 and you have not seen any counselings earlier, right?
No, I have not seen.
Okay, Deepak. So yes, you can try for some NITs and new IITs. You can have a luck there. How he practiced the question, Sunny is asking you.
So there is this question like only previous year questions are enough. No, I did not mean to say that. I'm saying about previous year question because you will get to know, you will get an idea of what kind of questions they are asking and how you can prepare. You can pace your preparation and how much depth you need to prepare. So you will get an idea of that. So that is why I'm mentioning about previous year question papers.
Mayank, it is definitely not a myth that what you're telling is correct. I have seen several, not only one, several examples. Maybe first attempt students were not able to do their best, but trust me, if you do the second attempt with proper dedication, full time, full priority to GATE, you can expect a plus 25 or plus 30 minimum in your marks. Like you're telling 46, easily it can go to 76 minimum, I'm telling. Plus 25, 30 is the easy increment if you are really, dedicated in the second attempt. I've seen so many examples from 4-digit to 2-digit and 1-digit also. So that's nothing new, yes. So you have negative mark in exam or not? Yeah. Did you have? I think definitely some people will have. Right. Even at my time, I remember, if I had avoided some silly mistakes, 4 marks more, I could have been rank 1. But I think that will be done by rank 1 also. Right. So how many mistakes you did?
In my GATE third year, I did not have any negative marking.
Okay.
Because I was specific enough to what I know and what I will attempt. But in fourth year, I thought I covered entire syllabus, so I can attempt everything.
Correct.
So there were negative markings.
Yes. So before going to the exam hall, were you worried? Were you feared? Kuch dar lag raha tha kya?
Exam day plays a very important role. So on your exam day, you should be very calm enough. And you should not worry about the future aspects or what you did in the past. You may feel like you did not prepare much. And you might be worried that how the exam paper is going to be. Will it be difficult? And the process after the exam, what parents will think, what relatives will think, what friends will think. So just forget everything.
Everything. See, little bit fear will be there because fear will be there if you have prepared. Little bit fear will be there because you have something to lose. Right. So little bit fear is okay, but that fear should not spoil your examination. Right. Anil, definitely third year 2000, I'll say again, you have worked hard, maybe you have not got what you wanted, but not only under 100, dream single digit also, Anil. It is definitely possible. Do your best, and I trust you can be able to come up with that result.
So always aim higher.
Yes.
So even if you fail, you will land at still a higher place.
See, I always say, I was discussing with Ram also a few minutes back, that we can never predict single digit rank, right? Whether you get All India rank 1 or 2, maybe 1 or 2 marks, or maybe just one question can disturb it. Maybe you get All India rank 9 or 10, just one question can disturb it. So we cannot be very sure about single digit. But always aim for the biggest thing. Okay, maybe single nahi to double digit mein to aa jaoge, maybe under 20, maybe under 50, you will get your best. Okay, so try for the, always dream big. And just don't only dream, prepare hard according to it. Just don't keep on dreaming only. Right. Sunny is asking how much practice is required for a concept. I practice many times I over practice many times actually. Right.
Like, what you mean? I don't understand what you mean by over practicing, but like I usually watch the lectures, and when I solve the questions, I used to derive the formulas and then solve it, rather than just looking at the formula or noting down the formulas and then using it directly. I used to derive the formulas and then solve it. So by that way, I can remember, like I can always start from the scratch and solve it anytime.
Exactly.
I needn't memorize a lot of things, since I understood the concept very well.
Yes. Amit Verma is asking, how is communication and signal processing branch according to me, it's good.
It is good.
Yes, definitely it's good, Amit. If you're getting, or maybe you're asking for some money, it's definitely a good go, right? And especially if you have, interest in communication side. So that will even, enhance your chances of brighter future there. So yeah, lots of similar questions, I think, coming up, all those things. Hanumanta, he got placed also. Already, I think you have spoken about second year students, Hanumanta. Yes, if you have any more doubts, you can comment later on also. He'll be replying to it. Deepak, he is planning to go for a job right now. He has been recruited into Texas Instrument, as we mentioned. Right, where you study. Shubham, that also we mentioned. He did mostly, self-study with some books or NPTEL reference, and definitely he followed some of the lectures of me or Chandan sir, MN sir, Sanjay Rati sir. Especially the Maha Marathon helped him a lot. And for the future aspirants also, let me keep you updated that like this year, next year also, the last 1 month we'll bring you Maha Marathon. So be prepared. We'll help you in the revision also at the last moment of time. Okay, and already guys, if you are also one of the self-study students, so definitely the classes on YouTube also are going on for Gate 23. On the channel you are watching this video, their Gate 23 classes are also going on. So, if you want to learn some concepts which you are not getting clarity through anywhere else, so you can follow those classes also happening on the same channel. So if you are not subscribed, do subscribe, because you will automatically get notified. If you are in touch with the channel, if you are subscribed to the channel, you will get all the updates, Gate 23 classes, bar classes, and all these motivational sessions like this will keep on happening. So do not forget to subscribe the channel.
So also one important thing I need to say is, like, you people are asking like how to prepare and all.
Yes.
But whatever I suggest you, like it is my story. It need not work for you. And like for me, I never followed anyone. I just took the blind road. I searched everything on my own.
Exactly.
So that like I could find for myself what is best.
Exactly. See, everyone, you have to decide. Yeah, maybe you can have some references, but ultimately, I kept on telling you several times, you only can drive yourself, right? We can guide you. Ram can motivate you.
Right.
But unless and until you take up the pain, unless and until you put the hard work, you can never succeed. See, I have told you several times that there can be some related factors. Of course, I give this credit to my parents, my friends, my teachers. But what is the biggest force that made me get All India rank 9 is Rakesh Talreja. What is the biggest force that made you get All India rank 1? I think it's Ram Balaji. Right. So guys, what is the biggest force that can get you successful in GATE is you yourself. Always trust that. Nobody else. Okay, आपको मेहनत करनी है. We can guide you, but you have to take that step forward. If you don't take step, nobody can help you when God can help you, So I think, many of the questions are coming similar. I think let's wind up the session, Ram. Yeah, later on also, guys, I again repeat, later on also, if you have queries, do comment after the video gets over. Okay, you can comment and Ram will be happy. Yeah, one again question is coming. Which subject is tough during the exam? Any specific reply to that?
This time, I think communication systems were little difficult.
Little difficult this time. Okay, but again, mostly, if you are appearing from electronics, I'll tell you communication, EDC, EMT, these 3-4 subjects are there, analog, which are core, and which sometimes IIT will put it on the difficult side. Sometimes communication, sometimes EMFT, sometimes EDC. So if you really want to be a ranker, see, many people can score in network, control, digital, even signals, maths, aptitude. But if you want to be a topper, you have to score in those areas, but you have to focus on EDC, analog, EMFT, communication. Agar ye strong hai, then you are able to handle the tougher question also. That's what I believe. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video live. I hope that Ram has answered many of the queries. So yeah, he needs to rush also. So unfortunately, we'll try to end the session soon. But already I think we had around 30 minutes of interaction with the students. Guys, do comment any of your queries. Definitely Ram will answer this in the comment box. And do subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Bye-bye. This is Rakesh Talreja signing off, and final words of advice to the GATE aspirants, upcoming GATE aspirants.
So all the best to everyone, and don't focus more on memorizing the concepts. Try to understand them.
Exactly.
And it will also help you later on in your life, right? Because you are going to give a GATE and you are going into a core domain, be it like higher studies or PSUs. So I think you need to have that domain knowledge. So don't just learn for the exams. Also take it as a preparation for a lifelong journey.
Yeah. So, GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Sometimes I also call it as Graduate Attitude Test in Engineering. It will develop an attitude, how you have to study, how to handle the concepts. And once you become a fighter and you fight for competitive exam like GATE, which is one of the toughest, definitely that attitude will help you throughout the life. So it's not only an aptitude, it's not only a technical test, it's also an attitude test. How dedicated you are and how ready you are to take up the challenge. And agar aapko challenge lena सीखना आ गया ना, not only GATE, then you'll go for PSU jobs or jobs like Texas and all. There also you have to work hard. See, struggles are everywhere in life, but you have to show right attitude and fight every struggle and be successful in every phase of life. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you, stay safe, take care of yourself. Yes.
Thank you.